Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today I'm here to teach you on how to get access to age restricted Discord on Android mobile. So without any further delay, let's move on to the video. Here in Discord app, we don't have any option, and if we also go to privacy and safety, we don't have any option for age restricted. So what you have to do is go to a browser, then search for Discord. Now you get these results. Just don't click on that discord.com. Instead, scroll down a little bit and tap on discordapp.com. Then log into your Discord account. Just enter your email and password, and after logging in, have these three lines. Just click on that and just tap on the settings icon on the bottom. Once you're on the settings page, tap on privacy and safety. After that, on the bottom side, you will have this one said allow access to age restricted servers on iOS. There you go. Now you will have your access. So getting access age restricted Discord was that easy. And if you have any questions regarding this, feel free to comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for new videos. Thank you.